Yeah. Yeah. Imanshu Chand, is your internet okay for you?
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please read from 311.
Okay, sir. What is net asset value? Net asset value (NAV) is defined as the value of a fund's assets minus the value of its liabilities.
Continue.
What is known as core banking? Core banking or a core banking system is a back-end system that processes daily banking transactions across all of the various branches of a given bank. What
Correct.
what is margin lending? What is margin lending? Margin lending is a type of loan that allows you to borrow money to invest by using your existing shares, managed funds, and or cash as security. What is known as market risk? Market risk is
Hmm.
a risk of losses on financial investments caused by adverse price movements.
Hmm.
What is systematic risk? Systematic risk refers to the risk of a breakdown of an entire system rather than simply the failure of the individual parts.
I think
What do
all
you
this, I
mean
think
by
wait. We have done it already yesterday. Buoyancy over letter of undertaking. We will start from letter of undertaking. 319. Please read letter of undertaking.
what is the use of letter of undertaking? A letter of undertaking (LOU) is a type of bank guarantee that enables a bank to permit one of its clients to obtain short-term credit from an overseas bank of another Indian bank.
Hmm.
What is line of credit? Credit are often extended by banks, financial institutions, and other licensed consumer lenders to credit-worthy customers to address liquidity problems.
Yeah.
What does maturity mean in banking? Maturity is the date on which the life of a transaction or financial instrument ends, after which it must either be renewed or it will cease to exist.
Hmm.
Define cash adequacy ratio. Uh,
Capital
capital
adequacy.
adequacy ratio. Yeah,
Hmm.
capital adequacy ratio (CAR) is the ratio of bank's capital in relation to its risk-weighted assets and current liabilities.
Yeah, this is
What
where we
are
stopped. Yesterday we started discussing about it. Continue. What are
What are exchange traded funds (ETF)? An exchange traded fund (ETF) is a collection of securities that you can purchase or sell on a stock market through a brokerage company.
okay?
What does what does forward
Forward
contract
contract.
mean?
Yeah.
It is a contract between the bank and its customers in which the exchange/conversion of currencies would take place at future date at a rate of exchange in advance under the contract.
Okay.
What is the loan value to value ratio? The loan to value (LTV) ratio is the final
Please read properly. Loan.
loan. What is the loan to value ratio? The loan to
Hmm.
value (LTV) ratio is a financial term used by lenders to express the ratio of a loan to the value of an asset purchased.
Thank you. Now we will go to Ritika. Ritika ji.
Sir, am I audible?
326. Yeah, you are audible. Please read.
326, right, sir?
Yeah.
Prepaid pay. What is meant by prepaid payment instrument, PPI? Prepaid payment instruments are methods that facilitate the purchase of goods and services against the value stored on such instruments. Example, smart cards, online accounts, online wallets, Stripe cards, paper vouchers.
Continue.
What does return on equity signify? Okay, sir. Return on equity signifies how good the company is generating returns on the investment it received from its shareholders. What
Okay.
is debt? What is strategic
Strategic
debt
debt restructure.
restructuring?
I
SDR.
think your internet is problem.
Sir,
Now,
here
if
there's heavy rain.
acha, where Ernakulam,
Kerala, sir. Kerala, Alapura.
Alapura, acha, heavy rain.
Heavy
What about
rain.
Iftik? Yeah, doesn't matter. We will go to Iftikar. I think he is from Chennai, where rain will not come. It will come only very rarely. Iftikar, it is raining now. Iftikar,
No, sir, it's not raining here.
yeah. Please read question number 328. Sorry, Ritika. We are going to
No,
Iftikar.
sir.
Okay.
So it's okay, sir.
Yeah. 328 Iftikar.
Yes, sir. What is strategic debit restructuring?
Acha, you only said I have problem in reading, correct?
Yes,
Yesterday
sir.
also.
Numbers, yes.
Oh, I will not trouble you. I will go to Megana. Megana, yes, son.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Megana, you audible? You are from which place?
Sir, I'm from Karnataka, sir.
All Kerala people banned because of rain. Please read. Megana.
Yes, sir. The RBI Strategic Debt Restructuring Scheme (SDR) allows banks that have provided loans to businesses and other entities to convert a portion of the total outstanding loan amount and interest into a majority stake in the business.
Continue.
When will the VRRR be undertaken? The variable rate reverse repo VRRR is usually undertaken to reduce the money flow by taking out existing cash present in the system. What is the role of credit information companies? The Credit Information Company, sometimes known as CIC, is an independent third-party organization that collects and makes available to its members financial data about individuals, including information on loans, credit cards, and other items. These people's financial information is gathered by credit card issuer, which is which subsequently creates a credit report based on their prior financial activity. This credit this credit report is essential because it helps banks and other financial institutions to determine whether to approve loan or credit card applications from applications based on their creditworthiness. What is supply chain finance in banking? Supply chain finance is a set of technology enabled businesses and financial process that provides flexible payment options for a buyer and one of their supplier at low financing costs. What is an account aggregator? The account aggregator, also known as AA, is a non-banking finance company (NBFC) governed by the RBI, which makes it easier for customers to give their consent for the collecting of their financial information from financial information providers. What is known as Social Stock Exchange (SSC). SSC is meant to serve the private and non-profit sectors and will help them in raising funds through the exchange. What is known as budget? A budget is a spending plan based on income and expenses. What is gross national product? Gross, nat- Gross national product (GNP) is a measure of value of all goods and services produced by a country's residents and businesses. What is net national product? Net national product, that is NNP, is the monetary value of finished goods and services produced by a country's citizens overseas and domestically in a given period. What is an electronic gold receipt? Electronic gold receipts are similar to a dematerialized form of shares where they are issued in exchange for physical goods, similar to the physical form of equity shares. What is electronic bank guarantee? EBG. An electronic bank guarantee, EBG, is a substitute for paper-based guarantees. It can be processed, stamped, verified, and delivered instantly compared with the time-consuming paper-based process. What do you mean by equity shares? Equity shares represent the extent of ownership in a company. What is dividend payout ratio? The dividend payout ratio is the ratio of total amount of dividends in proportion to the net income of the company.
Very good.
What
We'll
is
stop with this. We'll stop with this. Already nearing 9:40 or so. Thank you so much sorry we had to start late because of puja. Now, tomorrow our sessions will be Saturday. I am starting at 4:45 p.m. itself. 4:45, 5, 5:15, 5:30, up to that it goes continuously up to same level. Up to 9 o'clock, the mock itself will be there. So no class, but of course we will discuss new questions in the mock interviews. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Today's strength is
Excuse me,
better
sir.
than yesterday. Today, yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you also reserve a slot for me, sir, for my first interview mock?
What is the date of your interview?
Sir, I have not been given the date yet. My GD
Then,
was on 4th of October.
which place?
Uh, it is in Delhi. Interview is in Delhi.
I will provisionally mark it as 7:30 p.m. on 15th October. 1-5. Today we are on 11th. I am booking on 15th because all other days I am terribly fixed. Okay.
Sir, after
7th.
that maybe.
Pardon? You want it
Time.
after that?
Yes, sir. Because sir, I have to travel on 15th and 16th for to
अच्छा
obtain my degree.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है तब तो 17th में कर देगा.
Okay, sir. I'll inform you, sir.
No, I am provisionally putting as 7:15.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Please tell me your number. First 5 numbers.
Nine. Uh,
No, 1 minute. I will
uh,
switch off.
last
I
five.
will switch off. I will switch off recording so that you can tell fully. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.